In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to your Weebly website. To get started, head over to the official Weebly website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, choose the website you want to update, then open the site editor by clicking Edit Site. This takes you into the area where you can make changes to your website, layout, and content. From there, look for the social icons section. In many Weebly themes, this is commonly placed in the footer area of the site, so if you don't see it right away, scroll down and check the bottom section of the page. Once you find the social icons, click on them so you can edit their settings. Next, select Manage Icons. This is where Weebly lets you control which social platforms appear on your website. In the list of available options, find Instagram and enable it so the Instagram icon will be added to your site. If it's not already selected, make sure you check it so it becomes visible. After that, enter your Instagram username into the Instagram field. This part is important because Weebly requires the username in order for the icon to display and link correctly. Be sure to type the correct username exactly as it appears on your Instagram profile. A small typo here could send visitors to the wrong page or prevent the link from working as expected. Once you've entered your username, save your changes in the social icon settings. Saving at this stage helps make sure your edits are properly applied before you move on. If you're updating multiple social links at the same time, this is also a good moment to quickly review everything before publishing. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the Instagram link live on your website. Publishing is the step that pushes your edits from the editor to the public version of your site. So without it, visitors won't see the new Instagram icon. Finally, open your published website and test the Instagram icon yourself. Click the icon and confirm that it opens the correct Instagram profile. This final check is always worth doing because it helps you catch mistakes right away and ensures your visitors can easily reach your social media page. And that's it. You've successfully connected Instagram to your Weebly website, added the icon, and made sure it works properly for your visitors.